retinol, the skincare powerhouse. If you're over 35, you should seriously consider introducing it into your skincare regime. So, well, my name's Roli and I'm obsessed with skincare. So if you're here for the first time, welcome. And for my returning subscribers, I thank you. So let's get right into it. What is retinol? I'm sure you've been hearing retinol. When you go to the shops, you see retinol, retinol this, retinol that. Well, today I've got you covered. And I am going to be chatting with you today about the importance of retinol, why you should use it, and how you should use it. But let's start off by starting with what is retinol, right? Okay, retinol is a skincare ingredient. Remember that we have already covered some skincare ingredients. We've already covered vitamin C. We've covered vitamin B, which is niacinamide. If you haven't seen those, have a look at the previous videos. And today we are going to be covering vitamin A, the main ingredients, vitamin A, B, and C. And today is vitamin A. And that is what retinol is. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A. And vitamin A, if there is one ingredient that your skin will soak up and will thank you for, it's vitamin A. It's retinol. If you are over 35, I will strongly suggest that you start to incorporate it into your skincare regime. And why would you want to start it? Why? Why is it so important? I'll tell you why it's important. What vitamin A will do is it will boost the cell turnover of your skin. And what makes it so powerful is that even after you've washed it off, it will still continue to work underneath your skin layers because it goes deep down into your skin layers. Unlike vitamin C and vitamin B, that once you wash it off, you have to start all over again. With vitamin A, it works deep into the skin layers. So what it does, like I said, it will turn over your cell turnover, but also it will stimulate collagen. My God, who doesn't want more collagen? So it will stimulate collagen and it will even out your skin tone. I used it for years and years, and I will tell you which one. Now, with retinol, if you're going to start using retinol, you have to be really strategic. Listen, it's not the product, it's the ingredient you need to be focusing on. So you need to be really strategic and you have to listen to your skin and you have to go slowly because retinol can be quite strong depending on the percentage that you use. Now, for those of you that are prone to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, and what's that? That's the dark spots you get after you get your pimples. You know, after you have a pimple, if you notice, it will go dark. That's what that is, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. That's what retinol will get rid of those dark spots. It will work and over time, it will even out your skin tone. So like I said, how you use it is very important. So you start slowly because it can be drying on the skin, and also it can make your skin flake over time. These are some of the side effects, but when used correctly, it's a real powerhouse. I prefer to use Verton. It used to be on prescription, but I believe you can get it on some online chemists. This is my go-to, Verton. Yeah. So it's not about even it being the strongest product. You don't have to go for the strongest product. The most important when you are using retinol is that you have to be consistent, you have to be patient, and it's good if you pair it with like hyaluronic acid, you pair it with moisturizer and sunscreen. Oh, don't forget your sunscreen. Sunscreen is non-negotiable if you're using retinol. And with time, you will start to see the difference in your skin. There's no how that you will not see a difference in your skin. So like I said, be patient, pair it with these ingredients I've told you about, and the dark spots will clear, your skin will become clearer, it will become brighter. If you've been suffering from wrinkles and you've been suffering from dull skin, over time, you will see a difference. Retinol is a game changer. So if you've enjoyed this, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.